Maharashtra 10th class History and Political Science question paper May 2021 important. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vamsi Krishna. In this video I am going to discuss especially a very important topic, very important concept, that's going to be the history and political science. History and political science, very important. That's going to be the question paper for May 2021. Friends, I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely. If you watch the video completely, you can get an idea what kind of questions may appear in the public exams. Friends, in this video, I suggest each and every student first understand the concept of history and political science. History and political science is very important for each and every student. All the students who are writing public examinations regarding 10th class board exams, understand any subject, whatever the subject you are preparing, first understand the concept. If you understand the concept only, it will be very easy for you to write in the public exams. If you don't understand the meaning and the concept, is very difficult. The first and foremost important thing is understanding the concept is very important. In this video, regarding history and political science, what are the important questions may appear in the public exams for May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th board, 10th SSC? Let us discuss some topics, some questions, some important topics. This is nothing but choose the correct option and complete the sentences. Choose the correct option and complete the sentences. First, after taking the question paper in the public examinations, one most important point in which the students first need to understand is, whenever you take the question paper, just relax your mind first. First, relax your mind and try to learn all the sections. Try to watch all the sections. Whatever the sections it is there, try to watch all the sections, all the bits question, and don't get any kind of tension. Keep your mind relaxed so that you can remember and recollect the answers regarding the questions, whatever you find in the public exams. Public exam question paper. Now, it may be said that who was the founder of modern historiography? There was a bit in which you need to choose the correct option and complete the sentence. There is a sentence is given. In this sentence, the students need to first choose the correct option. Find the correct option. Which is the correct option in the given sentence? It may be said that who was the founder of modern historiography? Was the founder of modern historiography? The first option is Voltaire. Second is Descartes. The third is Leopold Ranke. Who was the founder of modern historiography? Take a textbook. Take the textbook. Modern History and Political Science textbook. Revise the chapter. See that the bit from where the bit this is available. Find the information. Who was the founder of modern historiography? In the modern historiography, the founder of modern historiography, who is that? Who is that person? Voltaire, Descartes, Leopold Ranke. The student should understand first. Just don't learn. History and political science is not for learning or by heart. History and political science paper is to understand. Understanding is very important. And if you want to know the details more regarding history and political science question paper for May 2021, you can check the details in the description below of this video. Check the details in the description. If you want to know, because history and political science is very interesting subject, very interesting paper. To know more the details and the information regarding the history and political science, in the description below of this video, you can find the details in the description below of this video, friends. Very, very important. Take a textbook, revise. Who is the correct option? Complete the sentence. It may be said that who was the founder of modern historiography? Find the correct answer. Next. Karl Marx is another option. Television is dash medium. Television is which medium? It is in which medium? And television is in which medium? Visual, audio, visual, audio, visual. Three options is given. Visual medium, audio medium, audio visual medium. Find the information, understand. Television, TV. Television is very, very important. In these days, without television, we cannot get any kind of information and the details. So television is in which medium? Visual, audio or audio visual? Find the correct answer. Write a short notes on Annales School. Write a short notes on Annales School. Toys and festivals. Agra tourism. 4 characteristics, and find out the information regarding the 4 characteristics of modern historiography. Write the 4 characteristics of modern historiography. Very, very important. Annales School, toys and festivals, Agra tourism. You have to write some brief information regarding Agra tourism. What is an Agra tourism? And what is Annales School? What is a tourism means what? It's like something going out, enjoying, seeing a different kinds of places. It's nothing but a tourism. Agra tourism. In Agra tourism, what you find? You have to write a short notes. In Agra tourism, Taj Mahal is one of the important. So like that, you have to write a brief notes in Agra tourism, Annales School, toys and festivals. What is the toys and festivals? Toys. Children like toys and festivals. Each and every year, all friends and family together, we will celebrate festivals. Like that, toys. What are the benefits of toys? What are the benefits of festivals? Write some brief notes on characteristics of modern historiography. Like that, you have to understand the concept. If you understand the concept only, you can get a very good marks. The only thing is, to get a good marks in the public examinations, students should understand. And you want to know the details regarding history and political science paper, that is question paper for May 2021, you can find the description. Check the details in the description below of this video. In the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding history and political science. So finally, to get a good marks in the public examinations, understand the concept, understand the meaning of the question, revise thoroughly, don't by heart, don't just learn. Practice is also one of the important concepts to get a good marks, to get 90% of marks in the public exams. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. Once again, Maharashtra 10th History and Political Science question paper May 2021 important, you can find in the description below this video. Thank you so much.